make SCFilo now because they dey close to now when I know the family well. So make SCFilo still go interview your mama about this area. So that make your mama use the man talk and come and say, he no carry the go any juju place. We want to hear through the video. Make your mama use the man talk and
now they talk now. SCFilo do interview my junior brother. People they bash am. Me that's why me when me cut your baba, we have a chance. Or una mo no here no hamu go here interview Jimmy. Me had the direction where.
Okay. You fit call your mama. You fit call your mama. Mo, we can interview to you here. You call your mama for WhatsApp. That was speaker. We interview her.
No. I don't think
SCFilo na brother. SCFilo no go. You don't go ask questions.
Where other people go answer mama.
You understand?
Come go interview, but let me want to call for WhatsApp for this life. If that was I say, that's I say. If we
say no call for the
mudane. Omana run on mwegbe. No entertain anybody. No how mwegbe how interview. Now we talk now we laughing now. Omana get mwegbe na agbina no ma. Omudia.
We know they grand, bros. We know now people where they grand to do that one. We know they Nigeria. Me they France. And no get they Germany. Most of us they Europe. So people where they grand. Then go fit do those things to interview your family. Well, say me SCFilo go to one because of say SCFilo they close to una and your mama know SCFilo well. Now your mama say call SCFilo come say SCFilo come and help me. It don't set on my ass. So since your mama fit call SCFilo, your mama still fit call again say
if my mom talk now, they're not saying a lie. I'd rather tell me say wait my junior brother talk now.
No, they say a lie. Listen, everybody don't feel support
hear from your mama.
If my sister wait, Mr. John, my talk to her. Even though say everybody talk say your mama they lie. As soon as your mama does talk down, that one will be first evidence. First evidence, so that if you don't hear that your mama, he go come, that if your body not well, if Okotor body not well, body go come well. Because he don't hear when your brother talk say your mama no carry and go juju place. Now he come out, come talk. So if you hear your mama voice record now, or you hear your mama voice, I say your mama say, nah, like this boy they talk, maybe from there more evidence go blow.
Yes,
maybe
now.
from there more evidence go blow. So make SCFilo go interview your mama. More hear whether your mama they carry the go juju place or not. Are you see?
I'll call her later when I go fit do that one.
Very important. So that if your mama don't still talk come out from there you will come see say whether Okotor will not come out and reply or Okotor will not maybe Okotor will come out. Me Okotor tell Enogi. I will not tell Enogi say Enogi as I say your mama don't come out. Not be one way Okotor come the now if mama don't come deny now say he never can go juju place or he go come say ite muya here o ite asin egbiyan one or two things. So we will not know the way we will do because we this time around now we will not know the condition of Okotor, whether he see to go to palace or he see to walk. We want to know his condition now. So we will know his condition, whether on a tinayagwa, whether a tirigwe, so that we will know what to do. So we are going to hear from your mom. To deny or to debunk the issue of ground, you go see say there are some people that will still applaud your mother. Hello.
I'll see what I get with you.
Let me tell you, no interview. Don't please. When you say last time when on my way. Ne interview no local journey no interview a woman. I know what I'm saying because interview ne SCFilo ya wewa ogo choma I know. Interview no ma be a interview okuna. Any allow no latin. They don't preach no we don't interview. I interview on through WhatsApp. I interview on through WhatsApp. Like and to feel an agio abania. And that's all I know. I didn't know it way. But because
I'll say not time about way.
I didn't know what let me mention that. Let me mention that water.
1 minute go mo go fair you. Omo we go fair you no mama. Bros, get out of mind say this video wey you dey do today, after this video many people go call you. You see this small video wey they do so, this thing wey they do so now worldwide, people just record that or put that on many platforms. So get out of mind say many people will call you on this thing wey you can't do so. Maybe you know how you take reply or how you take do your thing. Many people will call you after this interview. That one come on in that borrow for. So number 2, if you want to give a date where this a married donor interview issue where you want to stand for your mom as a bro, as a good son, you claim, bros, they use, if your man want come out for live video or no want come and make people see it, anytime you tell me say bros, tomorrow, next tomorrow, not on Monday, Don Prince, I want maybe say I will come out for your platform, I will put my mind your call, ask my man any question.
Better. Yeah, I go there. You get some words when I go ask your mama. What go come out for your mouth?
How you say that? Because if you say MCFilo go now, and you say MCFilo now, don't they vex say because they don't they jabber for life. To say because they don't want me to go there again now. Then I go to say don't go plan with your mama. Abi bro.
Now make that statement. Your man say if anybody ready to come, because WhatsApp, listen.
If it's short for you, you believe your mama. Call her now because there's nothing like tomorrow. If I
Madam, you know they rush everything as small.
You do interview. May you go my family house. You do the interview.
People want to. My sister Mugane, why rush? A boy now, why rush?
You do the interview. If you do one, may you go there. You do the interview.
Who want talk? Now we reach your body to talk now.
After this live stream, you go call mama. They'll tell her what the woman go talk.
Don't worry, you go call mama. He go call if he ready, bro. He go DM me. May tell me after this video if your mama ready to do this thing. May he go DM me. Tell me when we'll take come out. We'll cut debunk everything for the whole world. They hear me say. That one done.
Don Prince, abeg. I don't want a jota, abeg. If I do what I go ask your mama.
Miss Jerry, it's okay. It's okay. You are not the anchor of this program. Don Prince, take care of this program. They're not the rush anybody. With time, the truth will come out. You understand?
Yes.
Now the truth, now we defend, now make everybody there. These people, they do those comments the way that they do so. Everybody when they wash them, with the groove them, with the enjoy them. You understand? So now make us still be thing go pathway. So we still get interest to know what happened. First of all, bros, I want to ask you one question. Okugbowa brother, are you sure? Say you don't ask your mama and your brother question, yeah? Because you know what? Me, I'm almost 40. And if I see you now, I know say you not be small picking. You understand? From your own experience with the interview where Okotor do with Enoge, do you think that guy is insane? It's a question, no? Do you think that guy is talking abnormal? Because we all get experience for life. So I will advise you and I will tell you directly, you better call your mom and your brother and ask them a very, very strict question if they are involved in this thing. Because when the same person is speaking, or when Okugbowa Okotor. After all these things, Okugbowa or man accuse Okotor or a family Okotor where they not sunu. Okotor called your mother's name. They never called Okugbowa's name, even where they are not in a good mood. You understand? And from the way Okotor was talking, that guy is not insane, no. He know what he's doing. And one thing make one thing clear here that time say, na Nigeria we dey. No look your junior brother when you live for us that time. Nigeria now, a more area we plus, a more area we plus. Meanwhile, area here na hana, here by mona. You get it. So you better call your mom and your brother and ask the question very well, so that no ye matter na gbale boy. Ureba, come in me be na e we boye. You get it. So, and I will also tell you, at my age, from my own experience, Emina Sunu, or my normal not tie, or my own not big way or yabe. From the interview which that guy did with your brother was trying to calm everything down. But I will tell you one thing: from the accusement that they are accusing your brother is not supposed to act like that. Your brother is supposed to react in a way that he wants to save his own dignity, because they are all popular faces. You understand? Tomorrow, if they are not together, they will have their different platforms. Everybody has his own integrity to keep. You understand? But you are not seeing it that way, which is not fair. That's the reason I will urge you, my brother. You better ask your brother and your mama at the waka. Okotor is not mad. Okotor is not insane. Whatever might have happened to him, nobody from us here know. He know what he's talking about. Dim me, Okotor accused Wegbe Nani Sunu. Very makuse, very madefe mosi say, the first thing yahu, it is a beg year. As I said, any tradition or we my Yahweh, it is a beg year to claim my name. You get it? So, not when we were, or ta say, because from the story Okotor said, if you don't mind him, my name is so go on, or we have no married the way we will walk, and he work for me. And now when you are more level yada, you will not we are not in there. Okotor is not a baby, oh. You understand? That guy is not a baby. May what I say, not what I say. I'm telling you, hey, no matter not because at the end, look at the interview your brother did. That's not an interview, please. Your brother could not defend himself. Your brother was only saying that they are still in a good mood. They still speak. After those kind of accusations, you know what is that? No, you don't know. Your brother did not react in the way I expected him to react when he granted that interview. And here where your mom should be wise enough as a old woman to come out and say, Agbo, you get it? As far as this man has mentioned your mother's name, and your mother, as a mom, as an adult, she's supposed to come out and say, I'm not supportive that you should call your mom immediately here so that you start pressuring her. She should know that it's about to happen. She should be pre-informed. She should know that she will be coming for an interview. You understand? So, brother, who can wear anything, who can involve where not what I say, and I have to make you understand that Okotor is not insane. Remember what I told you. None of us is stupid. You understand? Enogia is not stupid, although Enogia is not stupid. No of us is stupid. When an insane person under influence of drugs, alcohol, or guan, or that man have never made mistake from the words that he have been repeating. And look at what happened. He never granted an interview till your mom denied where they went through that interview your brother did. So that guy is not mad. You have to be very, very careful. Where you are hearing now we get ahead. This is all I want to say. Let's be transparent during this information. So,
Bros, okay, your time is up. Wesley, your other person ask question. Wesley, bros. Wesley. Ask question. Wait, madam, whenever you talk.
I beg you, in the name of God, do not bring your mom to social media. If there is anything you can do, take them to the palace. Do not bring your mom to social media.
Water. Come on, dear. Come on, dear. Water when I'm with social media. Nanay saga is na well akea. When saga nije mi sis no na mi yasoa. When bona mu gbije. Wherever. They bring mama to social media. Me wan bring no mu jare amoka. No mu jare amoka. O isa amoka yes video. Ije na sa amoka de no go video there. Inwinere. You should not that to social media. If my mama they accuse like this, my mama will explain itself. My mother will explain. Like, imamo do hana jogo po, ile do wala o, imemi no sunu. O ye na be gbo wa bani. E na be gbo wa bani. Why she not bring your mother? Okay, who were going to do a saga ijewe? Your mother should come at all. Abu ije buena accuse na. Iye devil go palace anyhow. And then have boru anything. Aye mo a camera. So what is he hidden here? It's better for a mother to come and speak. Eh? For real. I beat my people whatever. Yeah. Oh. Is it not better for a mother to come and speak and defend the family?
But I'm accusing your mom of your area. I vote you because they're batting, you know. You understand? If you're doing your mom should come and prove herself that she's innocent. Okotor have families. Okotor have other. Okotor who said in one of the interview, it was talking about the relationship he had.
Ancestor, wait. Let her talk.
Good afternoon, sir.
Wait, celebrate fair. Wait 1 minute. Make we talk, bros. No, they hear what they talk.
So when I ask, na internet, my mom want prove say wrong. I been na internet.
No, it's not only internet you want to listen, bro. Not be only internet. Listen, not the internet. Not be safe for internet. Internet is not just internet. This is a way your mother will first of all, the whole world will first see and say your mother is innocent. Now number one. Number two, before you now go to the necessary place. Because if your mother not talk now, maybe you're going to the necessary place. Because people will come and call you, hey, interview where and social media. People will must tell you, Yamake, after this video, people will not allow you to bring your mother. So, my brother, people will continue to insult your mother, which is bad. Which is bad. So, each one all the time way now, since of your way. My destiny. So your mother will not promise the whole world. It's your mother that will talk to the world. My brother, this is somebody's sister we are talking about. Somebody's future. My brother, we married to they'll take us Ebola. You never experience that, bros. Bros, you don't experience that they take person Ebola for Benin. Not be only Benin for many places. Even when me dey grow, they see when they take person Ebola. They take Ebola. So bros, when we Jenna say person can't take your Ebola, and attack the way we attack the area. When people accuse my mama and say, "Don Prince, your mama take my Ebola," me will tell you say my mother don't want to talk in social media. Mona let they call the boy again. Mona let the boy talk. Bros, listen to me. Bros, listen to me. Mona, wait. For example, now you accuse me, say, Don Prince, your mama don't take my Ebola. I just say, I can't ask of you. The next time I touch my body, that's how my Ebola take come out. So now, if you can accuse my mama, say my mama take your Ebola, for example. So me, I can't tell you, say, my brother, my mama not fit come out for social media. Oh, how you will feel? How you will feel, bro? Answer that question.
I feel bad now.
You feel bad?
Yes.
So if you see say they accuse your mother wrong, you see say they accuse her wrong, don't let people come deceive you, say, hey, social media. If they deceive you, so your mama come and come talk, that means the way you feel bad, that's how the whole world will feel bad. You see the way you feel bad, you answer for last, say you will feel bad. So that's how the whole world will feel bad. Your mother need to come out and tell the world,
Okay. I want to say one question before I come out. I want to say one message before I come out.
Okay.
Okotor brother, anybody will know because I call him. He tell me say he brother nowhere, he brother at the hospital. You understand? Then they go meet the grandma. The grandma say me they go as first. If the brother no say, me brother no they pay blog. Me no they pay bloggers to call the interview. You know, but me they post this thing to do damage control. If you know say, me they reach trying to.
No gay. Not be brother pay no gay to. No, the brother not pay no gay.
My brother, bros, rest.
Okay, if brother pay no gay, why you go on that place? Go they tell say no gay. Why no gay donate?
People will better pay to do the interview. Many don't come and tell me, bro, don't forget. If anybody brother ready, maybe brother carry the matter upon himself. Make my brother no tell me softly tell me for phone say matter na tell me egbe aran na so to tell us say me carry put upon himself. May say go give his sister or his grandma. May they take the matter serious. So I will not say they serious. Because the brother that they drag, they talk this thing online. He go tell me that say, leave me. You have to tell me here. See, we have to say to tell them say they take the matter be too serious upon themselves. They will carry this thing follow. They will carry this. One person they come and they accuse everybody. They talk. Let me to talk on social media. May come and live come talk. Because social media for the talk on Instagram.
They tarnish their image. Now they tarnish their image. If anybody wants,
not to affect our image. Not to affect our image. Not to affect our image.
But not to affect. If it's sure for you, it's sure for your family. After 2 days, say they not make move, serve the paper.
You go chief first.
Your brother and your mama where? Ask a question where? Get where they tell you.
I don't ask. If you see get phone, you call Okotor, ask Okotor question where. Tell us why not they pick other people call.
Okay, wait, bro.
You ask him.
Celebrity. You got to celebrity one talk. No, we are celebrity pick up. I beg before.
I'll let get 2 minutes now. Get 2 minutes. I'll come on.
2 minutes. Okay.
Wetin I want talk be say the thing not be about interview be the issue now. Because everybody fit come out talk their own interview. We not go know who still dey lie. The person be say make they just go swear. If person hand clean hair, he go swear. Now that one be the main issue now because the hot now don't go swear.
What I feel like
matter don't come down. Now don't
what I see like when I see tell Okotor, me they send this message. She's not the respect to my call. Then they pick my call and you know me well. When I tell and say, may tell your grandma, may they take this matter serious, or may tell us the day we go take grandma ass. Then my family will come meet up for them. May not if you say in house. When you go take grandma ass, or when you go take stars, they'll go meet up for them. They'll go take this matter serious. For them, they'll take this matter serious. You understand? Not the way they accuse the grandma, they say na small pikin, you can carry no. May they take this matter serious. Don't go carry and follow them. You understand?
Okay, so what if they try to talk and say, may Okotor family, may they take the matter serious?
Yeah, may they take it serious. Not be the one they talk for Okotor online. They will meet their relations say.
Wait, man, come from Kujue. Frakodue, where na higher? They say,
don't worry.
Not take the matter serious. Okwerewa.
You dey pick?
You say?
Amua.
I know Frakodue, Mamu. So Frakodue. Now we're not like that way. Enoge la send the request on menata. Enoge, wait, Enoge ask you question. Enoge ask you question. Enoge no mota. Enoge okay with damage control. No mota. Because I don't know mota. Gwale no Irish family okay. And we Irish family Okotor. They go mama Irish family Okotor. Daniel bros.
If the men are watana, even can dig me watana. The person was supposed to take this matter serious, not them. We be Okugbowa family. The prince, or why we were not Maria. The tell person may take a these people are not left there.
Bros,
first of all, bro, don't let them twist your brain, oh. The prince, I'll tell you that you popo me. I'll they wait. Yeah. I'll they wait when you can take serious before you can give me juju paper. Now you go give me juju paper. May I can talk as I think they popo you. Hello. The guy don't bugger because he knows I've been one two questions.
Why that guy wrong? Why that guy don't want me to ask a question?
May I come on camera? May I show you the reason why wrong?
Yeah, tell us.
Why not tell that? Do that of any no eh? I know fear Sarah. Those two things.
When no, if they wash you now, when no, answer the question.
First, Okugbowa will be younger brother. Come and said, talk say mama na Jehovah wickedness. Okay? Yeah. At the end of the day, you can see picture where mama take dress on Ayala regalia. Make you explain that one.
You never see picture?
You never even know the one with your day. Two.
Make this guy go ask him mama question.
Wait, now wait, man, don't get talk. What's your better What's your better
Two. We are done with your Okugbowa talk, see. Now play that they play, and I joke that they joke. Okay, good and fine. Now play that they play, now joke that they joke. Our person where they talk, say person sport person life. If they wait, make person where accuse and bring juju. Now you, where they accuse, they go bring juju. Say I don't know why they mama Okugbowa suppose don't bring juju for this guy since there. May God not let this guy up there now. All eyes will be on Okugbowa and his mother. Say that they buy this boy because the boy say that and they not bring juju come. Bro, the reason why the guy run is because he not go fit stand me. He can't. That is not the way.
Because the boy they answer everybody questions, sissy. They answer everybody.
He run. He said they pay me. Bro, person will not feel seafood shop. They go give me money.
Nobody pay you.
You understand? So the guy just there, yeah, say do damage control. Then they go tell him make. No, I will be very honest.
Okay.
Now good morning, oh. Now good morning.
Wait, my sister.
Okay. Make a quick talk this one. I don't know what they argue.
My sister, you go talk.
Just joined it. Even though I did this thing.
My sister, may you wait. You want to do
the talk. Where am I going?
Okay. What did they tell me now? Say, una see the picture of Okugbowa mama where they dress a yelala.
Yes, allegedly. Yeah, we hear no, but that's what we talk where yeah. Okay, no, we forget that one, bro. May God.
I don't that say not his mother.
Okay.
I don't that say not his mother. Because they don't say Nata. The man now when it is at court, no affect them. No be real.
Yesterday, yeah, we hear no. Maybe they don't go do investigation. They come further say not be mom. Okay, I said that one, bro. Waiting mama Okugbowa and Okugbowa the roof. Where they never fit bring juju paper for Okotor family. Say una someone accuse us. Say me and my pikin carry her go village, go do 1 or 2. He still accused. Say Alpha Okugbowa can't do something for their house. They can't give her uwawa, make it go drop. Why they give her uwawa? Why they constantly give her the 1,000 naira where they said the uwawa? Why they constantly give Okotor the uwawa, make go drop for Joshua? Why when they come break, Okotor can't give that 1,000 naira to a black man? Okugbowa can't invest. These are questions we need to ask.
Me ask the boy. I answer all these questions. He said all those things na lie. He said na lie.
Make them bring juju paper. When you are here, because the money wey they donate for this guy, so the guy be not get money. No. Now my first even talk about
me anyway. That money wey you donate for that guy, he go help that guy in a long way.
Now my first.
Anything they want, even they want to return the boy destined, they will need money.
Okay.
You understand me? So they need for so a boy that no give. The guy where they say can't talk, anyway, Frakuju at here, guy no do go Frakuju.
That's why the picture there, I look for a picture.
So, a boy no go about tell me how the picture get gume. Only a picture a guy no
go. Well, the picture get because a boy.
So, a Frakuju no do go ani, a Frakuju ni no zuani.
You know why the guy can't talk. A Mumu update, like call the engine because Mumu update be free say you go free interview the guy. He got surprised say the guy can't do my platform. So if he can't pay Mumu update say a man very magbata. We want to wear the go the platform or remain. Why not do Allah them already no gear?
Mumu update the platform. The platform in Nika onenwi. The platform in Nika onenwi. Yes. The platform.
Now, bro.
Update no where update where they say no more Europe tour. No Tebonero no musician.
So my people were arguing to you.
No musician. Say no. Me no dey help do people. Obi obo. Update wey be obo. Aguobo na be here because they speak Bini. E mo na be Aguobo.
I use my platform when my fans was saying, bros, Alpha, Mo Enoge tell him to bring his account. Now my fans tell me say make we raise money for him.
I see her that day. I did there. Now your fans.
400,000.
Now your fans. Now make yesterday. Listen, Enoge. When Fracomozuo, the one saga yesterday, I did a platform the washer. Now people they tell us say before you go they insult Enoge. Enoge was not the one that tell this boy to bring his account. It was the comment section.
Okay, so
it was the comment section that was saying bring your account more support you, bring your account more support you.
You see Fracomozuo and that guy, they be like twins. They are pained, they are betrayers, they are devilish. They don't like. Okay. Amen. He had a look for a picture because how can you be so mean to say, may they not donate money for your brother, not be that one? Let me tell you something, bro. If not be my platform, they not donate that kind of money for him. In a minute, 2.5 million.
Bros, you too try. I don't tell you lie. Enoge, you too try.
2.5. My record so far, but. Waiting with the wait that this afternoon I call her. Yesterday when he go hospital, the doctor said there is a little changes. Why? Because the guy don't see better food they eat. Don't they eat fruits? Now the useless boy can't say na his brother. When this guy they work out wear boxers for inside bush, you not come and come to say na brother. Now when they call they donate money for her, now he cut it to say na brother. Why?
Yeah, what flag eh? Wanna double tap, please. Flag.
Don Prince, please, I will talk something, I beg.
I'm gonna talk, one by one.
Okay, please, good afternoon, everybody. I beg, I just want to advise that guy, brother of Okugbowa. Do not allow anybody to deceive you. Your mother needs to be interviewed. Allow anybody to deceive you.
Bro, the money I call for your mouth. The mother is not supposed to be interviewed. First thing, the mother should bring juju paper for Okotor family. Now when the mother don't get justice, now they'll go interview the mother, bro. Because if they interview the mother, he go still tell now waiting he know. He not see change anything. But make them go bring juju. Bro, they laugh for your head. You they laugh, good. You say that they accuse you of something where you not do. Then a boy and say they go. You will bring juju paper say, Okotor, go tell the world when me and my pikin take carry you go native doctor place. Go tell the world when my pikin take bring native doctor, go the house 1 or 2 rent, they can't give you wawame go put for junction. What? Because bro, this guy condition, the way I take meet am, it's too critical. May God not let anything happen to this guy. Okugbowa mama, see problem go there oh. You know the things on that place. This is not be go to, not be foul. Now human being we talk about so because the interview not go change anything until something is proven. Now when they call it to do place, Okotor can't change math. Then that time you can saga the Okotor. Say meaning you come my platform can lie.
Yeah. Only make that in a way.
If we reach there, say Okotor can start the ground. Now yeah, you guys are big Okugbowa. Okugbowa is a bad because Okotor believe in juju. So now that juju so they suppose don't give Okotor. What's do that? Because the boy not get papa and mama. Everyone know where you are. Imagine came to wow. Who the boy that around again? Everyone know where you are. Over take
boy na eba. No eba na we nyamut. He said if you wait for 2 days, they not bring juju paper. He go tell family make the some more Okotor.
You don't need to wait. You don't need to wait.
If I no give, if I no give,
I beg, make I just rush finish with that talk. I beg, madam, Vivi love. I beg, have you finished with that? Try talk. I beg,
madam.
See, Enoge, you already talk all, and the prince already talk. And because if you look at now, 90% of the people were there. They wait for them to debunk every statement because the accusation not be small accusation.
God bless you.
I was even expecting them by now say they don't even serve those guys.
Juju paper.
That juju paper. Because if not me, I not go wait till even the next day. As far as I don't hear that first interview, I did take action immediately.
Okay.
So what is good for that guy now is, as the already can say from 92 days, they go serve the juju paper. So he should do it.
Why you wrong?
for
Why
you
did
to
you wrong?
yes,
Wait,
for you to
why
clarify.
you wrong?
But for me, you for never wait reach this time before they start.
Why you not wrong? Why you wrong? When you see me.
He no even know wetin dey happen because the way they talk, I dey watch am. Because before you come out for social media like this, you need to interview your parents. You yourself go talk to your parents first. Now up till now, they never go serve paper. Now not fit come out go do anything. You understand? So that one you know say they are them not clear.
Bros, wait to 1 minute. Other question I ask the guy. I say MC Philo come out. Wait, bros. MC Philo say na Okugbowa mama na e beg am make come interview e pikin. Okay, since when they accuse the old mama now, why not beg MC Philo again make come interview am?
We can celebrate 1,000 viewers when my God.
Enogi, they are not hearing me.
They are not hearing you.
Enogi, they want the grace in the social media. I never spend one more for TikTok.
Yes.
The next one,
They just say the prince, they with Enogi.
the prince, if I no give, when who ha aya we no obeva mi wo. Ami no go saloboa. Ami mwana no wawe we umuba me a ebohia mugbo e aro eva mi so wawe rogu yesi anu saloboa. You understand me? A situation in me gbe mata na wa gwi o imagine how we tell maybe a here water one me fi we boy ni depression ro egbekere oni Okotor no ro depression ro egbe osiemi ire wa allegedly you need say wa dey life anything and number 2
Zebo, man, not believe
you wanna know verse do the ring with you know what I believe say that guy Okotor I believe say depression small day body. You understand me? And 2 it be like say they fear for nose allegedly na what I dey see I they talk. And number 2 now 2 that they see for Benin they see church goer they see ojuju. Then they see some people go say, I live and for God. So Okugbowa, it'll be Okugbowa they call her. Anybody where they represent as papa and mama, now you go give that family where you guys carry my pikin go to Juju place without letting the family know. Una go carry and go Juju. If the family can say no, another go say na church they go now they will come say something is fishing. And number 2 say they change destiny. Yeah, if I make anyhow. But if they want to use their destiny, so that they do. One not be millionaire.
When mesoro, o mai wune go to bust all those sakwa. The man was sumulerio.
You know your happen say go your happen one day
if they use madam, if they use you do ogwego. If you do a life, money no never come. But then no problem they use it to Ogwego. If they use it to Ogwego,
you need to do it. Not be you take give example. When man ask your enemy man they reach on this social media, you know mention one name.
You are
okay, Mudane, Egwi madam. If they use pack of muscle to do Ogwego, if they use pack of muscle to do Ogwego, for example, that. So Frankie Mana la. Il veut bien quoi? Wait as I quick and again and land go bien quoi.
But Prince, your plan in the Savo is this. May the family of Okugbowa may they take action immediately. That's the truth.
Yeah.
Not we believe Okotor. Because Okotor is not a baby. Okotor is not a baby. You know, give her wawa. They go drop for junction.
And another one where still talking Ogi. He say the what they call her? He say now where the juju ass now in motor for knock.
No, he said they want to start the car no move. He
said no move.
That one
he said that the juju ass now in car for knock.
Yes.
Now the yes so person wey be say he car not for juju ass.
No.
He talking so
the Prince. You make party no juju ass.
Okay.
Hey,
Iya siapa? Motor na ria rio kai. Iya
Okay,
siapa?
yeah, party already juju. I see motor gonna one knock.
Yes.
Okay,
So
now maybe that one be the same when mama be give and say no go.
exactly. So he now can follow them with another car.
Okay.
Go the juju ass. Auto say man.
All of us with they assume may the family go give am paper there first. May they go swear.
Yeah, I read a banana.
Eh, when they Okotor when you are gear when you are gear or you are airport.
No, madam, I will very honey. Now Okugbowa family go bring juju paper. Madam, if I lie for your head now me go consider juju paper for you. Or if I talk say
Double tap your screen, guys. Double tap, guys. Double tap.
or anything now, say this woman here is a thief. Then I make a consider juju paper for you. Make us say you be thief.
What about if Jehovah Witness say no they bring? What now can do?
Then
May
you
go
lie.
give am then.
Authority.
May go give am.
God supersede. But let's leave that boy aside now. When I come and say, a Bible no we Jehovah Witness here. We should go to juju.
As me, I see that woman.
Enogi.
When I go give
Wait,
am.
my sister.
You know,
On that place, sit talk. Where we go say Enogi. Another thing I see beg you. Anytime you want to interview Okotor again, when not wear video, when not wear video, then I get the condition.
Bro, the guy condition is not that okay for video for now.
Because I want me to see condition. Me to see as a person when they talk, you know what he's talking.
Yes, you get
Now good afternoon. Go and no vessel. I begin something when I want to talk.
Me go do blood
My
test.
sister, another person wants to talk. I want to make my sister.
Because what I want to talk be say this boy so Mona beg Mona answer question well before they'll go swear. Because I know two of my cousins when they take something, get what they say they take for Africa there. Now so they just still be like this boy. That one self, if they would they say like mama they disturb am. That's why they talk different things. So I'm gonna ask this boy a question where before they go bring go juju paper
my sister,
or when they use this boy they swear join this condition.
5 naira. See, may I tell you,
But I hear you.
this guy never changed matter since the day till now.
Okay.
This guy is still see person wey dey smoke eyes no go know where phone dey. The guy they post every day now.
Na lie up I no give me. I don't see person where they smoke eyes where he head.
Because the ones when I know
Me I don't see you. Me I don't see where.
When I say colos,
I know what to be color, so I know where.
you don't smoke am.
I know people where don't smoke am. I know forget that thing.
Not the way you know what take. I don't know how it be for body.
And okay, you don't take am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
one of my cousins says
You may not go.
come try.
Follow this page. You must follow this page. Don't say this page and you follow it.
You may not pillowcase.
But wakakabo no ta because Ami Anani take it na me why any wa
Me the bully, but bully not change me.
no depends on person body
You hear me so? Me the bully.
He gets some people we go police go change the mind though. Not because you the police say it dey okay for your body. Not be so everybody your bio. Everybody no be sent you.
And that they affect their organs.
My head no fit carry am o.
They affect their organs.
Last time I checked, me fresh. Me fresh.
Now for you be that o. If me I take am maybe I no go fresh o. I go dey lie say na erera we popo me. I don't see you.
This one say one for inside. Like say you be like this boy. He say that mama want kill her. Like say you see mama, he take and go somewhere. The woman don't even do anything like that.
Yeah, gift. Yeah, ma follow. Wanna follow this page? Na new page. Even puna one.
That's what they are.
No get marathon that day, so no get marathon worldwide. Abu Amabele. Like be a car. If your mama not strong, not face no give. If your mama not strong, if you face no give. Yeah, my brother, my sister.
So the guy don't go hospital. They don't already talk say the guy, he dey okay, but the guy is suffering from malnutrition.
Enogi, the guy went here dream see yesterday. You see this girl, what a girl now, Miss Godin. Left that girl, made that girl decrease. No answer that girl again. I know that you take.
I'll call you.
I beg that Miss Godin. Get the dream where dream no good. No answer that girl. What's your no women?
Yes,
No women here.
yeah, call. I don't want to talk about that issue.
No shaking.
Thank
So,
you.
my people, you go out now. You go out.
Yam hot yam hot yam.
What if you see in life, anything you are doing, let your mind be clear. If you see the way people take day and they don't say no get the priest, they all everywhere. You might only let it talk, you know, gay. You not at this evening, you might only let it talk. I'm packed now.
See, what that guy is concerned on Prince Okotor, we will continue to help that guy. Or the God what that guy said about you.
Well, this matter. The matter that you are dying. I don't know.
Prince, me am a tick boy. Don't
Okay, no, let
that day now.
nigga matter.
They are told
We are not the guy now say get for 1 minute.
No gig. Make I speak broken. Me I making I understand. When we no sunu ye me I wa damn your credit do ade me no sunu. Wetin dey happen so wetin happen so na God. If supposing this Okotor mama and papa they ask, you see what they happen. So if I don't pass this time, if I don't cause a lot of yawa for Benin right now, well, but you not get mama, you not get papa, things they happen like this. Make we not undermine that spiritual power. Some people they do many things against their friend. Nobody be innocent. Everybody na suspect. Nobody they fear Bible. Nobody they fear Quran. You see, when it comes to tradition, everybody go tell the truth. You understand? Everybody go tell the truth. You understand? If this able now, may we go use this course, they find out waiting they worried this boy. Because I listen to this boy interview, I don't see where the boy they normal. He know waiting they talk. He know waiting they talk. Now God save and say they are alive. Don't please talk one thing. If this boy don't die since, my brother, everybody go be innocent too. If this boy don't die, everybody go be innocent. Now God say make this boy they are alive, so make we they feel the point finger. Say now you they do one, now you they do this. I they tell you these things. Make these things make I beg. I go beg una enegyo maton Don Prince. Una don't they stand for justice. Make una stand finish. Make una not let any woman or man come tell una say somebody they smoke this, somebody they smoke. Now lie you. All this one are distraction. Make una stand as una stand. So yeah, you understand? Make una stand. Make we can't see the truth when it dey for inside. Make we not let all this one to say na so na lie. Make we go do am because people they lie well. Lord, this Ghana president talk am. If una remember, he said they do something and not being do am. Yeah. There be 3 of them when he do that thing. He said they carry them go court. These people swear Bible, they swear Quran, they swear everything. He said, but he can't tell them one thing. Say, I beg if they pardon them for one thing, make the 3 of them go swear that juju when he did their town where they come from. He said, because now they will know the truth. Do you know? Say before they reach the shrine, those 2 people can't talk truth. They know, say that thing now final. Nobody they fear, say church. When I forget church, there's no when I forget church. My brother, I believe in God. I know they let church they decide what they do. You understand?
No way say you deaf. I carry this guy come interview. My intention is not to donate. You deaf? Say now my fans say me will donate. You deaf? How much you put? You where they write this nonsense so investigation by you there. Who see that boy don't know say the guy need money to take care of himself? Why they pay una now say I donate money for him? He didn't go worry me like Janana. I'm apart from my platform now. Which other platform now na come good? Na come donate money for this guy now. Una want they use the guy they make.
Wetin they not fit do, they still do and they jealous.
Owa balu wa regbe.
Epa Awadomo.
You say me I do.
Talk to everybody.
What's the job?
So that woman will just when they talk say Okotor, you know, so they take this one for nose. That person when they take something for shh, go back.
Well, I gift him
Person when you say that boy not they take anything. Why you not say na landlord? Why you not say na landlord? Why you not say na landlord na he do am? Why be say na that him friend na he go measure? Why you not measure another person? Why the boy not measure another person? Why be say na that friend? That friend when they gather they do comedy na he go measure. That boy you know what they do.
God bless you.
You know what they do. No, I'm not the talk say no know what they do. You know what they do. Because they follow that boy. That boy never change man one day. What they repeat, then they repeat. What they repeat, then they repeat. You understand? I'm not gonna condemn that boy say, that's why they take something for nose. That's why they know. No, I'm not they carry that one. He carry something for why you not say na grandmama? Why you not say na brother? Why you not say na landlord? Why you can't point that boy? Now let that boy be friends.
Okay.
A mother go just come out, come and talk say, now so really that boy mother, if papa they alive, you know say this matter if I don't go, if I don't high, where, if I don't take her serious. You understand? So man, not the talk saying now so you take something, now so you do this one, now so you do this one. Depression, the warrior, depression, they do this one. Depression, the one person. I don't understand.
When we donate anyway,
I don't understand some mothers. Even if you want to that thing, talk with you on mic, not be platform, not be able to talk.
If you see where your funds don't carry that guy go, you don't believe.
You know, you understand. It is not when I say that boy said.
Your funds are go a long way to that guy life. You see, so ave a frakoju ni do agwani. I say yeah.
The boy depressed. The boy they taste something. The boy they do this one. I wish me the way that boy just be like, a lot of people just see they happy. No, you know me say, if you be more than you accuse that boy, when we say you never see that thing for your hand, now you are God go now you face judgment. Because you never see her for your hand, you don't need to go to pass judgment, say they take her. You understand? So when I know they do like that, make they find justice for that boy. You understand? According to the one at the toss that they listen, they watch all they listen to what you at the tosses. Person go accuse me, say I do this thing. Since how many weeks? It too long self when that boy reacts. It don't too take. If me take now, go take react. You understand? Even if mama na Jehovah witness, he go react on you. Not be that mama be Jehovah witness, he not be Jehovah witness. Person told say they use money, they do sacrifice, they go to where for they give her this native pot, they give her money. Okay, no, why you not go say na your grandmother like do give her the native top, native pot, whether native I don't know. Why you not say na your grandmother give her? Why you go say na the boy? You understand? Let me tell you, a lot of church people when they go church, they cover high. You don't know. Last of them, you see, most of Christians they're wicked. They wicked. If a Christian do you something, you understand the best way they go church be this one. You understand? They wicked. I better leave that boy alone. That boy not get what they talk. You not get what they take. You know what they do. That boy never change. The only thing when I'm going to say that boy they take something. If you talk one matter, they go talk another matter tomorrow. You go talk another one next tomorrow. You will not say they take something. But that boy just now what they repeat. What they talk now they talk. What they talk now they talk.
On a good afternoon.
That's why get you. Just come up on a condemn.
That boy will get your sis. You give me maybe I go lay. You might understand.
Say whether you say guy mama, I don't know.
Don't please. I agree to now. I beg you get what I want your quick trippy for inside this issue. Wait till I'll let everybody know for this life. Madman, any mad woman or anybody will be say they say it not correct. Anything wey they hear for their statement, now what they take doing something. Now that thing, now be the thing where they take doing. Now that thing go they always they talk. If they talk every other thing, but that thing was the day. Because this boy, if you watch your interview right from day one, he only they throw mad go they say he's a bad friend, now a friend, now a friend. He only they put that for front. So spiritually, even though you don't see him physically, spiritually, you know they see him spiritual. Yeah, I hope spiritual, but is even though they blend up for physical, but that spiritual way. Say inner man take the talk. He's talking the thing from the inner man. So now that will make everybody put down for mad. May know say if na madness they say they mad they crazy. So you all know say what they talk now true. Because now if they take through the madness give and then they talk come out for math. Ask anybody where they go. If you go to go to psychiatric hospital, you go see now what them they talk. Now what they take through madness. If now you go see cause of a body, now that you go they talk say why you give me go, why you give me go, why you give me now that's where they talk they go. Ask anybody. Ask anybody. Make them not talk. The boy know what they do. Anything they take all time. So now the boy they talk come out physically. Yes. Because now inner men now they speak come out for them physically. So that's why they are trying to cover everything up. Not to
I'll talk about that where again Okotor yare life you win. Or line life it came you. Because he not gonna on one leg or one leg understand. Okay, you don't already notice that all this here you go and at a very I'm saying it from my mind though don't even know when you have above me here have it now also not that way a river now little nana my way or one where give nana you go why me nana where in your life because me beg of no a cigar can you know one a cigar where you wear a cigar una you say nani it go cause your doom. It will cause your downfall. Okay, you have to when you're at a very tender age where anything will cause any eminency. You walk kind. Baby, now you disease from it. Okay, you already about you already sworn with you. But now you are going deeper and deeper into it.
Oh, madam,
his photos.
You are here out of my friend.
Okay. Okay. Also, me have a time. I'm not with me now. We give me everybody use this for in any possible way you can. Okay, now you don't go into this thing. You don't inside this street already. But you even when they see you for video. If going now when we get see. Oh, when you may see, oh yeah, you see them openly the door. Make those people wait want your that for. May stay see and make them a because if you don't wear a rhyme of Vuyam allow, okay, those things that say you not do you disease from all these things. We not believe anybody will put all these things, all those things. Okay, maybe a colossus or a ice or whatever. Maybe them always that's why we say, or we don't see any. On a very baby or Maggie will be nanny. It might be living a nanny, or what anything to have a battery. So maybe we still beg her. Well, una see Igbo because it will not be my soul, or the mother be my soul. Una will be nanny, land will try by all means, New Year stop it. This is what I wanted to chip in because I don't get the boy and I didn't nana my. Now this one what's I just talk. What was it?
God bless you.
I met
23
years until you are sick, boy. I don't be not here. I met 23 years until you are sick, but why go? Man, Allah, I bet so many. What you buy your team and I because my mate is 7 and because every year when more bad. Iya ga so le mo ba gongo egbe ma me mara pa na lajo le boy ni on ti boy ni gune pa ke ga ta be o ga si won ga wona no na eto boy re egbe lajo mi ni ga be ago ero wa lawo wo kemi no you wire boy why give myself
the Mohbad invader una get am for night say una wait this boy we must see the end of this matter no be play o. We must see the end of this issue.
When you
we must see the end.
Good afternoon.
Hello, now where you dey come so now you let this TikTok AFCC talk.
Don't push a good baba. Don't more. I
greet you. Thank God, Baba.
But the first and foremost, me the fair as that guy, whether he really smoke. First and foremost, if he smoke, first and foremost, my brother, make come out yourself for smoking. My brother, because smoking, you know, good. Because if you smoke, my brother, you not see money till they take care of yourself. My brother, before you go dry, before you go die, you no go know. That is the truth of the
Before
fact.
now go,
And
none of
se-
them follow this page, oh. What I follow her so that this
Well,
page
follow
will
us.
get them.
Not the same as the
and secondly, Don Prince, he say na the other boy they do something about him. You, I say you be na person that go come accuse me say I do something. Wait, I not say I not do my brother. Before 2 days or 3 days, I don't take action. That was the place where say no go, we not go swear because no why because for me to clear my name, make everybody know say I not really do am o of tomorrow. Because this matter now just matter wey say the boy brother and him family they use the matter take dey play whether they themselves not like their brother me no know. Because this one wey dey say small thing the brother dey send voice to dey give one for our brother dey talk dey plan to me all that na just wasting of time. You say your brother you really like your brother this kind thing happen by now you get family for Nigeria wey say you don suppose maybe wetin we go dey hear now say they don go swear come back na we suppose to dey hear.
For real.
All this one the brother come talk this one talk that one to me all this one na just to me there is the matter take dey catch cruise to me as if family be because you no fit talk person no fit come outside say you just sit down dey look you una take action no need they don take action. No dey come outside now dey hear them now brother dey come outside dey say whether dey send am the matter say papa
abeg to me provoke me na that video provoke me wey be say bro take come and say why don dey support give am na that thing provoke me.
Don Prince to me my brother to me I go say matter my brother more na leave am for a family make dem themselves handle the issues because
the family
dey help my brother una come outside.
Bros make I tell you something the boy family is sluggish some now wetin we dey see for the boy family we come dey see avo nsusu wey dey inside family ebe go dey gbela there. Imagine a brother come out dey accuse Enoge say why Enoge go donate money for a brother how that is ọ̀hún ní ìlàjà ọlọ́run alájà platform orí ọba.
As I see this thing yesterday I just dey laugh but when me dey laugh because person come out your brother come outside dey talk say by now
abeg I fit say something before I forget wetin I wan talk.
Okay.
Na talk.
Who dey call me na fair wait.
Talk you are lis ten na talk. Who dey call there?
Okay. Pardon mo sir.
I greet you. Talk.
I hear. Abeg Enoge don comot for here. E don comot for your platform.
Enoge you dey fair?
No, e get wetin I wan still tell am. E don comot.
Dey lis ten dey talk you dey lis ten.
Okay. No, first of all, before I go talk, e get wetin you mention just now, tell am. When he tell you say he no wan talk about that one for here. So if in dey here dey lis ten, I be dey try to how I want to reach am. Although you don't know me, I don't know, I've never go to his platform. That thing when you tell her, you should take it and you should know it's a fair anymore. Because where that thing don't go in the spiritual realm is bigger. So he should just remove his hand.
The prophetess will be here.
Yeah.
You not see prophetess?
Now that talk. Yes, if I know you face to face.
You want to follow me the drag spiritual ring? You want to follow me the drag spiritual ring?
I put my 2 cents contribution.
Make it just take her like that as you tell her.
My 2 cents contribution.
Wait till I dey talk. My sister, beg no vex.
I bet
Say you wear Mama Tiriaro. You your the coin. Why you overtake everybody? Where is the Mama Tiriaro?
Now sister na kwani kwa o. Mama Tiriaro.
See, wetin I wan talk be say, you see this boy issue, me, I know the two
follow this page. Follow this page.
Me don't follow you. You go follow you.
Not be you. Not be you. They told the viewers. Me they follow this page. Very, very important.
Okay. You see this boy issue, is beyond spiritual. Okay?
Yeah.
They say when person never sees something, he go begin to talk. Who see something, not go see mouth, they talk. Now only this boy know wetin he see. when make am come outside dey talk. This boy never even talk a lot of things when he see. Wetin him talk, people go dey take am like say e dey smoke, e dey take something, because he measure that one for a video, say as dem take bring all those things come for am, and na wetin dey forbid, wetin dem don tell am, wetin he no go do, make e no for there affect am. Really, dem tell am, because na that one na dem take enter and use against him. This guy wey una dey see here so, not because say we dey TikTok, he's a great guy. He's a great person. When dem touch am, na the truth I dey tell una. So who wan take am, make e take am. Who no wan take am, make e leave am like that. But I know say the ancestors, the universe is going to set him free totally, and he go bounce back to his feet when time come. Now wetin dem see in him, na dem take touch am, because he's a great guy and he's a seer as well. This guy is going to be seer when time come. Even wetin dey do, that one not been calling. He get him own calling different. So wetin dem see in this guy, na dem use against am, because the way dem know say when you dey in midst of people, you feel small, you feel tall, you feel big, you feel dey like dwarf, but your grace go overshadow the midst of people when you dey deal with. And wetin be the problem be say, when this guy go come into their midst, this guy grace dey overshadow them. Anywhere when they go, if they dey in premises, this guy grace dey overshadow them. And many of them senior this guy for inside the group, but him dey overshadow. They don't be saying they purposely dey do am. Now wetin the universe don already put for him body right from the childhood, right from his birth. So now wetin dem dey see in him, na they use against this boy. So you
Prophetess is
understand?
talking. You wanna listen? We are prophetess. They talk. Oh, prophetess. This one they fly like me. Oh. This one they fly like me.
So now wetin they
They
use
fly. Oh.
against him be that. So they touch am, not be say they not touch am, but that thing when they say make him no touch, now they use against him, and he come outside, come they measure and they talk am, make people believe say na that thing when they say make him no touch, now he go they touch, now he make am come they talk like that, make am they misbehave. No. And this boy get very good heart. He's a free mind person. He have a very white heart. He don't know how to do person bad, and he calling not be for bad, he calling her for good. Una go let her see her, but not be now. He's going to go for his calling when the time come. He's
Thank
a
you.
great
My
man.
sister, I bet may I ask you this
They
question.
touch am.
For that one where you talk just now, for that Miss Good you, I bet you fit throw some light inside. What you see for spiritual ring? For that Miss Good, why I tell you no be your stuff. If you tell us what you see for spiritual ring.
And for that one, there is somebody that I even contact when still they pull her. So I talked to that man. So the man stop. I say you should not talk about it, because a mother don't cry. Go meet Avi no hua with spiritual. Or when you my ever make them stand, fight
Okay,
for her.
Mama God did not go cry meet some strong
No,
juju.
Mama Sharon Pame.
Mama Sharokbame. Not be Mama
Yes.
Sharokbame we talk. Oh. We are
No,
talking
his mother, yes. You know, our mother go stand, cry. meet
Okay,
Avi
Mama
Yeno.
Sharon go cry meet strong people.
Yes, yes. So people when he feel say that they bully and me carry their matter go meet them. You understand? So may they not go pull hand for person when be say you want support, you want help, you want fight. So the fight not be your own. Leave the fight for the person when get the fight. Make it the fight am. So and whatever anything when be say, if not true, say as a daughter take go. Whatever anything when be say person how when it dey, her cry, her tears going to fetch that person out. But you see everybody they pull hand when the woman they select, they believe say this cause of this person, and then they draw it, then come outside more and more. So make them not go touch them. Now they are talk and reach. Epa, you be person where so make them leave her like that. So make them leave her like that. So make them stop. But for this boy now me see. This will not be say because say we did TikTok or I just carry come platform to come they talk. Here always a guy live. I feel just the comment section they look.
Okay.
But this guy,
my sister, I be no vessel. I hear say get one boy they call Fracomozo. Igbola your sumo where. What you make a sumo? You feel professor?
Now for him papa, now for him papa, now for him. Oh, now for him papa. Now wait till papa gets.
You know there to listing. We're listing. Fracomozo. In their social media they insult everybody.
Yes.
Igbola sumo where. I be professor. What you make Igbola sumo?
And I mean they tell you now say na inheritance. Now waiting he papa gets now him gets. Na inheritance.
If papa was this small.
He must say
papa was this small.
And I waiting now na inheritance. Now waiting family gets now there for carry. They say who born pikin I pikin they resemble.
Na papa for carry small bola.
And I waiting papa gets now he give.
Is very irritating. It's irritating. People, many women are complaining. It's irritating. It's irritating. At this I let drink. At this I let drink. Now carry for papa handle. Because the boy drink a lot.
They say if you pass it born now, or they resemble mama or they resemble papa. So now inheritance. Now waiting if papa gets now a brick on life.
Okay, na papa cost more bola for her. Make carry go life.
Yeah, so now wait till papa get.
May God not forgive thy father. Thank you, my sister. More still leave other person talk.
This boy he go survive. He go survive and it is swear. God will do it. Do you need
who is the next person to talk now? You're not hearing me. You're not hearing me. Wanna follow this page?
Follow. You are not.
You will not follow this please.
I agree the house.
Now you dey talk.
If I don't please, if we say Paplona,
we greet you, bros. Man, talk
when I
see the rich body,
who dey Nigeria? Oh, poo. If I don't please, when I see
Madam, wait for that person talk.
Mama, you don't talk your own now. Make the rest people talk. Thank you.
Grace, talk.
And they talk to Pardon Prince. Now say na Paplona come for say alas. Me my young.
Hey, yeah, I see. No worry, you see me again. So I am Grace. Talk your own.
Okay. For me, this boy matter bros, for me, before this boy go they talk one word, and people they say na Igbo, na this, na that. For me, not be Igbo, you not get with Igbo and all this thing. Who they smoke Igbo, not me say not get sense. This boy, if you look the way the boy take dry, is beyond spiritual. This boy na spiritual matter they worry am. And that boy come up just now. In the talk say, in mama, this boy they need to bring juju paper. No. Now you they accused. Now supposed to bring that paper. Say, now you lie for me, say my mama na witch. Or you take, we invite you come over palace. Okay, you say you give the boy 2 days. No, you're not supposed to give that boy 2 days. Now these people supposed to give una 2 days to bring that paper come. If una not come bring come, then go come give una. Now so they tell they do am. And you say una your mama na Christian and not they fear. Why you they deny? May your mama not go bring paper. May you say not go bring paper. The boy look the boy alone just now. He fear they their eye. Fear they fear. Fear they eye. And this boy made their bed, made a queer helper. May not. I pray God may anything not happen to round. Now some mobile they cry that time. Yabo Joe. Nobody serious about it. Amen. Till that one can't die now before the God no say man. Yabo he cry come out.
Now so they still come on mobile for granted.
This boy need help. When they carry this matter go palace, this one not be interview of no interview. This matter you need to go palace, go. If this boy na they lie, they go no. If that woman na be real person, we carry and go some kind place, we be say they go swipe as he talk. Because this boy why look so this precious. e no dey sick. Precious not dey sick. All those name wey dem say na maybe that one join. E no dey make this boy dey sick. Number one, that boy dey lack food. E need food because who no dey eat, e no go even feel, e go dey depressed. Person no eat 2 days, 3 days, e go dey depressed normally. You know, we talk for mouth no go dey complete again.
It's not vex so
but another thing still join.
I make am dey lean or na make am dey lean.
It's possible say e dey eat so they don do it spiritual so that anything wey dey enter e body make e dey dry comot. You understand? And I believe say that God wey give Precious strength to dey alive till now because dem no expect say Precious go come and talk. Anybody wey wan help am, make everybody join hand together, make we hear Precious, make we no hear story wey happen to Mohbad. Abeg. Thank you, sir. Well, they cause una self for comment section now. Mumu go kill una mama o. Na
anybody, my sister. Who dey reach it me talk?
Na me o. Na good afternoon.
I agree the answer.
My sister, make man still talk. Women dey talk. Make man still talk. After this man talk, you talk. So tell the talk.
I agree the answer.
That's everybody.
Mr. Don Prince, I rate you very much, and Enoge, I really try for the guy body, for the freedom fighter we wanna be. I really appreciate you now. My little advice for this issue is just that make una call this boy Precious, make una interview him very well. In the sense that if the two of them get waiting secret thing where the two of them pull hand.
Thank you, Rihanna.
You understand? You understand me? If you get anything where the two of them pull hand, who will betray each other for the business that they are going to? So we can't be say one can't betray each other for one can't betray each other for inside. Wait, something can't happen. So we now for call the Precious. We could interview and well because in they see the measure Oba Palace for one of the video we do say now Oba Palace had of go end down last, which I really appreciate because you know good say now just day one side no, maybe I see try one way round to see call the rest party where they involved because all these people they talk so they are our brothers. They are our brothers, so there's no one we will neglect among all of them. So as a freedom fighter wanna be, I'll still beg una, I beg. Wanna call all of them. Even some of the guests, whether they use till they do the video, wanna still call them, interview them. You understand? So definitely because we not did there. We don't know their behavior. Now we are just talking around through social media. What you see for social media, we tell you judge our own. So now them, all those ones, most of them they don't see it for the same place. They don't know most of the characters. You understand? So I beg, I'll still beg. Because smoke, waiting dry person pass smoke without not the eat puts in not day. Because I don't live with them for years. You understand? So make una call them, make una see ask the questions. Because you not come good, maybe say we call them one side. You know, because the two of all these people they talk to them are our brothers. So my little advice just be that. May God bless us.
Amen. A power just talk finish just now. You know what believe Ugboriri. Me I not be believe I be believe. Yeah. That did this boy body. Nothing. Even though say they bring juju paper, they bring second swear. Those people will still manipulate it. No when we say don't get that for body. Now so if they big to and be small picking, be adults. They go touch and if you not be careful, if somebody is not there to guide them up. You understand? So this boy good heart, now even keep him alive. When una come, all of us now can't even feel hear some kind things. He can't feel even come out, can't talk. So now be this boy also. So this guy, so when me they see so this body the way they body, he have to even quit that premises if he don't dey okay. That is not in way. Not be bad boy. He's a very good person, eh? He have a good heart. And he has his calling. I still a repeater. He has his calling.
Madam.
So he have Roberta and then touch him.
Now the same thing me I dey talk so. Now the same thing me I dey talk so. You understand? So now for the freedom fighters, where they call Okotor.
Mona let this mommy sit up. Mommy something.
Even though they call them, they will not say the truth. Even though they call the other people.
This mommy when they done.
They're not going to
that boy smoke.
Angela, please.
Hard men say the boy not dey smoke when he dey with them. Una forget that part. He said the boy not dey smoke. Hard men talk and say the boy not dey smoke when he dey with them. For hard men people, now hard men talk and say when he dey with them, the boy not dey smoke. So maybe when he don't leave them, the boy dey smoke. I watched that video.
Una good afternoon. I don't even watch any video. I know. But now what I see
Brother, don't please. Now good afternoon, everybody. Now good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I greet you.
Like me, mommy twins. Waiting I get when I want to talk, we say at least as soon as they make effort for this boy to dey okay. Sometimes if it be something they somewhere they carry and go, they never talk and finish. Sometimes not be everybody go good for a body. If some people they smoke, they lay like this. No, now effort not go in vain. We go just they focus on spiritual. Maybe spiritual join or nobody know. Some people they will be say they smoke like this. They talk anyhow. Forget say maybe what they talk they correct or what they talk they correct. We feel look like that. But
So,
spiritual feel join.
my sister, I want to ask you a question, not vessel. If you smoke will still use person for 3 months, 4 months.
Now they talk, so I say make una call us. So I say now you and they no get they fight for another. Go still call them for inside.
That make me they tell you now. I
never smoke before.
Okay, you never smoke. You don't see person wey not smoke. You smoke, you also dey water for like 3-4 months.
No, brother, not be fight. Wetin I dey talk be say as una dey talk, now not be say you not get another thing to do. You get many things. You say ask.
The problem wey this guy dey face now, may I tell you, my sister. He say they use Igbo and so many things take cook for am. From there, now he come dey smoke.
No, na tell am
they hear me so. Say from there he come go dey smoke. So the thing go dey affect am.
Of course.
He say native doctor tell am say make he not smoke for life. The day when he go smoke, he go mad. But he no respect the native doctor.
The native doctor. If you respect them, because what they don't tell you before, they don't already tell them before. You know,
so you don't respect the native doctor. He not so he friend not persuade him to smoke. Say nothing dey happen.
To smoke.
So the thing now, and so many things, no dey affect the boy.
Pikin wey no get papa get mama. My sister, no go better for them. E no go better for them.
E just be like manipulator. E na manipulator. Yes. He na manipulator. They manipulate. E just be like say they say no do this thing. If you do this thing, it go square.
Maybe the boy tell the friends. Maybe the boy don't expose the.
He don't tell his friend the secret. He just be like say now. A power dey here na me come tell am my secret.
God bless you.
Everybody waiting. Everybody within destiny when carry con life. You when dey here now you have your destiny. There is some kind of things where they don't tell you say no do, no touch. They forbid this thing. Me you go come tell me now. Me as a bad person, I can use that against you. Say manipulate. You understand? So they manipulate him. And this guy is a great guy. Still they repeat him. Ugborini when he gets, now they beat and put. Not be any other thing. Now they beat and put. They don't want make it achieve in goals. They don't want make it be above our head with them. You understand? Even though they go anywhere now, let's say this guy he can't do okay now. Say this kind of thing never fair happen. He did miss of them, they go anywhere, travel. Now this guy they go fair recognize. If they really find out where go hear more secrets. Now this guy, he go there back, but now if they go fair recognize. Now be that Ugborini when they with and when the universe don't already give a right from birth. It's an ocean guy. It's from big
Who they give
portion.
you? Who they give you boriri? Who they give you boriri?
This guy, so where they your back, so he dey your body.
Who give her? Who give her boriri?
The universe now then give am. Now he give.
Who be the universe?
Paper when you over the working now. When can you make one?
I'm a spiritual prophet, very strong.
Ugboriri there again. Ugboriri ni. That he get calling. Even the comedy is not his calling.
That's call me Sugusu.
He say where Sugusu. My.
Sugusu. Where did you Sugusu?
Where we get a Sugusu? Which type? Or not wrong way. Or is there your forehead?
Oh, dear, you are not hearing me.
No, not you are not hearing me. You are not hearing. If I get enough for if I were honor the way they your back so now waiting that they beat and put now don't tell now so man no he know waiting that they beat and put based on say na because say no girl who stands for am now I made them do am like that and I don't know the brothers and the sisters when he get
my sister I will fit recover this boy back now.
This boy I beg mute your side. How now? Thank you for the gift. Now, this guy, so if they want recover in things, if they want recover am, make him well, make him dey okay. They should go and look for a very good seer. Make they carry and go there. Everything when they do against them, go return back to the other person. Even when they give to make them look for a good seer, a good native doctor, a good seer. When we say the real, yes, when they can go meet am.
Thank you, my sister, for the gift.
Whatever anything they do against
my sister, you know any good seer? You know any good seer?
No. I know
she not see her now.
Now Europe I did. I don't have.
She not see her. There's no need to see the fan.
Let me say you now.
Yes. Now what she fit talk? You say now what she
as a seer, my sister, how you fit the airport?
Let me tell you. I'm telling you this.
Vision you see.
No, I'm telling you the solution. I'm not in Nigeria. I don't get these two men here to do all those things. So in the na house day, the boy know. We know a problem, part of a problem, where a problem for stick and join problem. I make how they talk. They touch him, not say they not touch him. I can't lie about that. Then touch him, then see in greatness.
They touch the future. They touch the boy future.
Yes, to manipulate him. They touch him, say they not touch him. Yeah, one robot can, and then touch him. I'm say they not touch him.
They use that mean say they manipulate her to smoke.
Yes, they manipulate him.
But she says she get mama. He get mama.
And the boy
he get EJ.
He no get him. He bring mama don't go now.
EJ. Who trying to call EJ?
Na grandmama.
Grandma, what grandmama be?
Na grandmama, na not be everybody. Not be everybody.
Madam, you wait now. Wait. Waiting grandmama. Waiting grandmama be.
This boy grandmama.
Yes, precious grandmama.
Grandmama only get but for house.
Madam, we could not condemn the issue for you.
No, be someone not gonna do issue.
Make waiting I have to my brother Wahala. Now beg I see the beg now. Mo could just find peace for this issue. It's not good. Mo can say this one not good or this one good. We not be say bad thing not dey happen. Bad thing dey happen. Bad thing they really happen.
You
understand? So I beg.
I make another talk and come.
The truth, where we forget all this truth, what they happen so. Now they are followers.
Madam, nobody did that you.
You understand? Now they are followers. Where all of them they gotta do the comedy. You understand? Even they say the lie will do.
Thank you.
At least you must surely get the one. At least you must surely get the one we go tell the truth. For inside.
I'm not send me money gone. Why are you sending me money gone?
I don't know if you understand, my brother. We must surely get one. If person dey lie, now once you tell you say this one dey forge what it.
If I dey talk truth, what of the solution? They have to look for solution for this guy.
Definitely, they must surely look for solution. Yes.
For him to be
They must surely
okay.
look for solution.
Even though they bring juju paper, even though they bring juju paper, say this the other boy family bring juju paper to this boy family now. Say you lie to my head. Wetin my mama no do, you say my mama do. Here a manipulate, you go back and to you.
Madam, not be everything person fit dey manipulate, make you rest. Not be everything person fit dey manipulate.
Not be everything they manipulate this boy.
My brother Don, please. Well, I talk about where see Baba. I beg, just drop me.
Okay.
Okay.
Better go men or
when I not too that this woman, you know, say this woman just talk to you. When I see that time, everything we talk is still they contribute. Now contribution the woman see dey.
Nah,
everybody get your opinion. Not be all that and you sort person put.
Leave them. Me, I know they go mind them.
They sort their head.
I know they mind them, but all I know is
why they want restrict me? Why they restrict me? What happen? What I do when they restrict me?
Maybe they don't. They report the page.
Maybe they report some.
Yeah, they report and
now they don't send me restriction. Why? I don't happy tire. What me cause it do here now? Maybe una why like me no man. Mona abe mona the double tap for me. Mona the double tap. Why share mona the double tap for me?
That's next year. Una no go even know this boy again. Make all of now when they hear mark my word. I no go know again. When they your back, so this precious soul.
My sister,
it's going to change for
me. See prophet. May you see professor for me, Musi. Professor for me.
Epa, now you a professor for me. Say you be so.
May you see professor for me now.
You are okay now. You are. I'm not.
I don't say I do okay because they see me for picture.
No, you are okay. You sleep well. Let's say you they think, you not think again now. You just as them.
People still talk. Some people they never talk.
Now I tell you just now. Remember, now I tell you.
You say they think. What are they think?
No, for sleep. You say you don't sleep well. Now I say maybe you dey think. That make you not sleep well.
So you don't see anything from me now. You feel everything. You're perfect for my side.
No, even me that is talking. Everything is not perfect. All of us dey Europe, so
okay. You don't see anything from my side.
Where I say you have a white dove that is going with you. You know.
A white dove.
Yes.
The white dove they secure me.
They follow you, yes. A van. Am I setting the book now?
Am I setting the book now?
Hey, we don't see a year.
Mama, see vision for me. And they laugh. You know.
Okay.
Namibia will pay.
Okay, so the two dove that they guide me up and down.
Yes, he there with you. He there with you. You are protected. You are blessed. You are blessed.
Okay. Ona de yera. Awanya me va wagadi ne.
Yeah,
okay. Mona people want talk. Mona see talk. Mona let people. Who knows they never talk, may talk. Or mute yourself and talk.
If I beg, I want to talk, make I come down. Una you dey look that side when Okotor talk. You know, say I say Okotor now. Una no see when Okotor take talk say if he talk say if father na wish. Una no see that one wey say if father na wish. Say if father want be king before. So his head not come green. If father come go kill your brother. If father come go buy another of his junior brother, one another woman born for another dark moji. Sometimes he go say sometimes he go say